hustlers, 2 for the killers, 3 for the fiction, the fuck for your thriller.
Okay, you go now. That's the chorus. You say it. Go. Say it.
1 for the hustlers, 2 for the killers, 3 for the picture, for the funky for your thriller. 1 for the hustlers, 2 for the killers, 3 for the picture, from the funky for your thriller. 1 for the hustlers, 2 for the killers, 3 for the picture, from the funky for your thriller. 1 for the hustlers, 2 for the killers, 3 for the picture, from the funky for your thriller.
So if they ask you who the hell is Thriller, everybody knows ask about Johnny. Everybody tells you who the hell is that, homie? That's me. Come and get me if you hate me. I don't give a damn, homie. You won't escape me. Fuck around, you will get clowned. You already know, homie, this is my town. Run it.
Up and down, the block they see me. Little youngsters here, they wanna be me. Serving and making cash. They see me, how my fancy clothes are classy. I don't need no gold on my neck, just for motherfuckers giving me respect. And know that I'm getting in on the block. Motherfuckers see me running from the cops. See, it's a daily thing, man, 24/7. Catch me on the trailer park, that's where I'm dwelling. That's my territory, catch me slipping, bitch. You know how it is, man, I'm never gonna snitch. Tryna get rich off fuck quarter piece. That's what they told me. Picked up game from the homie. Now I'm doing my own thing. Tryna come up with this fucking rap. Tryna come me and tryna put us on the map. See, so they told us that we couldn't be that. Now we coming through and we gon' be that.
Yo, we gon' bring Gardena straight to the map. You already know that's that. We gon' bring it up, put it on my back. Everybody knows, homie, that's that. If you like it, if you don't, I don't give a damn, homie. I'm the motherfucking Don. I'm the one motherfucker that's posted up at Fairmont in front of the GPM. And if you ask me, homie, that's the end of your life, homie. We do this shit again and again. Make this shit swirl, and you already know, homie.
Catch me, tryna flip a bitch. Catch me, tryna flip a zip. See, I started with shit. Now I got a whole brick, huh? Yeah, the homies want me to put them on. You know how it is, but they look at me wrong. Try to tell me this and that to hook them up. For how, man, I'm barely standing up. I barely gotten for myself to fucking eat. And you don't go hard, cause man, I gotta eat. See, I go hard when you put a beat. And 2 rappers come up in my fucking dream. Oh, you all motherfuckers non-believers. Believe in yourself, that's something I can't do. But I'm out here trying to make this loot. See, something I just can't do. But I'm out here trying to get this loot. No resume, nothing on the plate. I just know how to flip weight. How to get a bitch for her ass to shake. How to do things that your ass can't, man. See, progress is showing. You know how it is, it's hustling and flowing. See, when I see the camera, I get shot. But you know I'm gonna keep going when I see the day I like. Cause my name up in lights, I ain't bragging, but I see it one day gon' happen. Yeah, Johnny about to get in the flow. Johnny about to come and get in the flow.
Yeah, motherfucker, everybody knows I'm not a buster. But you already know we some hustlers, letting y'all down, letting y'all know it's our town, G-Town. Matter of fact, 9247, got it in my motherfucking chest. And if you ask me, homie, this the West. Come up in our block, come up in the street. You already know, homie, we got a heat. We pop it, we glock it. You already know, homie, don't drop it, don't fucking stop us. You already know, homie, we some motherfucking scandalous. LA, homie, this is city. You already know, homie, everybody that's fucking with me.
If you turn the button, you catch slipping. You know how it is about dying, I ain't tripping. Cause when it's time, then it's time. If God wants me, then it's time for me to die. See, I thought I was gonna live long, but seems that something went wrong. But haters want me to slip off my path. You know how it is on the streets, I learned math. See, I learned how to flip this into this. Next thing you know, got a lot of chips. Yeah, money coming out the pockets, yeah, stay swollen. You know how it is, plus I stay rolling. I stay blazing, they tell me you got a problem. But you know this man wanna smoke straight solve 'em. Yeah, got some crazy thoughts you can't imagine. Yeah, so when you see me, you gon' panic. It's an Hispanic that gon' get this shit cracking. And you never gon' see it happen again. Motherfucker, since 2010, been on it with the fucking rapping shit.
Yo, we rollin', you already know, homie, that we just floating. For some enemies that's provoking us. And you already know, homie, what's choking us? Nothing, you already know. Motherfuckers know, homie, we got a fofo. Betty, 2 bust loose on you motherfucking niggas, you already know. 2 niggas down the motherfucking shoot. And we don't give a damn, homie, we got the loot, got the motherfucking flow, and we got the beats. Homie, if you didn't know, yeah, it's fucking Johnny. ask about me. Motherfuckers know, never drop me. Yeah, I'm still standing, still breathing. Everybody knows on me, I'm high, that's just how I'm feeling. Never fading, don't give a fuck, maybe sometime. Make a rhyme. Motherfuckers know it's about the time. Let me let it loose, let me let them know. You already know, homie, I'm Johnny, the motherfucker pro. I'm about to let you know that I don't really give a fuck. I'm rising up and you already know I'm about to blow up. I count money on the daily, I do it crazy, I just laugh. Then I spend the next day on some herbs, and I don't give a damn, homie, that's just what it is. I like to puff, I like to smoke that motherfucking dank, and you already know, homie, that's that. Come through, homie, on the track, yo worms, let the bitches know. We don't give a fuck, what's up, we got that dough, we got that money. Everything's always funny to us, cause we some cool ass motherfucking niggas don't smash.
Going low, Johnny B on this shit, that's it.